are you going? Yes, excellent. Good girl. Good girl. Hey, Cheerio, Cheerio. Excellent. Yeah, this is the good ship lollipop, sweetie. Yeah, excellent. I know. And I'm not gonna, like, make you sick. No, good girl. Alright, come on, let's go. He says, I don't know. Where's the bed? You get to lay down here soon? There's so many things to smell. Okay. I'm gonna take you into the room and see how you do with that.